Here's a little 5x10 unit we just picked up. Bought this online. You couldn't see a lot in here. It was pretty dark. It's still pretty dark in here. Don't know how the video will come out, but a lot of boxes in here. It's packed really neatly. Stuff smells clean, looks clean. So we'll see what we find as we go through here. We normally don't open up boxes when we're cleaning out lockers, but here's a box that we have to open up because look at this. It's got, says it has money in it, change, so let's open it up and see what there is. Well, there's a quarter. A wallet, doesn't have anything in it. There's a lot of interesting looking stuff in here. There's a fillet knife. Decent fillet knife. I think it's top of the paper shredder. Well, nothing real obvious and easy to get to. We'll go through it better at our store. Our first box we're going to open up back at the store. It says fragile knickknacks and electronics. So let's see what we got in here. Being pretty careful opening it because I don't really know what kind of stuff we're going to find in this unit. Got a cooler here. Might have something in it. Ice packs. Alright, we got a lamp. Got a big some hot sauce. Some rubber bands, some lighters, got a little bit of money in there, mostly pennies. Got a big old box. Snowman here. Insignia, not very valuable. I'm interested about this. See what's in here. Not much. Boards and stuff. Alright. One more thing. This right here. What is this? This is an air filter. Alright. I will finish sorting through there and then we'll move on. Another box. This one's marked historical books. It's heavy enough to be books. And yeah, looks like that's what we're going to have in here is books. Oh. There was a personal photograph there. There's a little toy car. Decorative car. Not really a toy. Got some VHS tapes. Get rid of those. Kind of interesting looking books in here. See if there's anything else in the bottom. Nope. Another photograph there. Some more VHS. Some little paint rollers there. Is that what that is? I think so. Alright. I don't think there's anything else in there. I think it's just books. I will set this to the side and we'll keep on going. Here's that box that we opened up real briefly down at the unit. I'll sort through it in depth now. I feel like this is going to take a while, but we will see. There's a blood pressure cuff in there. Some silverware here. Sure enough. That actually might be an eBay item. Somebody sold it for $3 at like a yard sale or something. but that might sell on eBay. Got a little wallet here. Always check wallets. That's one thing. People often, even if they give wallets as a gift, sometimes they will stick money in them in one of the pockets. Sometimes people don't find it. I've never found a lot of money in a wallet before, but you know, like 20 bucks here and there. Actually, I think 20 bucks is the most money I've ever found in a wallet. There's a CD. Little brass plate thing. Alright, let's get this box and see what we've got in here. Oh, photograph. Samsung earbuds. Get all this stuff out of the way. Now there's some euros. A little bit of money there. There's a €2 coin, some other money in there. There's some hardware for a bed or something. Set that aside. Ooh, hey, look at that. It's fishing line, 20-pound test. Little flashlight. Starbucks mints. I don't even know if Starbucks sold mints. Oh, look at this. It's a Zippo. Yep, sure enough. Make sure the insert's also a Zippo. It is. It's a decent little find. You know, not worth a ton of money, but definitely something that will sell. Remote for a Samsung TV. Little, well, it's a bottle opener. Little flashlight. Here's another Zippo lighter. Cell phone. Nope. Personal photograph. Another photograph. Xbox 360. Let's try to see how many gigabytes that is. 16 gigs. Here's an adapter for an Xbox. Looks like a good bit of change in the bottom here. Pair of safety glasses. The bottle opener. Don't know what that is. It's kind of strange. It's like a, I don't know, some sort of little tool. Bottle opener. Cork opener. Some more little photographs. Make sure get all that stuff out. Another Zippo. Look at that. Yep, it's got the correct insert in there. Look at that, a $3 bill. Fantastic. Go spend that right away. Got some cards here. Maybe we've got a always look for gift cards. There's replacement flints for Zippos. There's a lot of money here. You know, a lot of items that are worth a few bucks here and there. It adds up. As you can see, there's also a good bit of change in here. Alright, anything else real interesting in this box right here? Try to move a little bit faster. 32 gigabyte micro SD card. This is some sort of miniature train. That could very well be an eBay item. Some cigarettes. Alright. I'll set this box aside. I'll finish going through it. No, I'm going to see what's in here, but I don't think there's anything else too exciting in here. Yeah, a bunch of needles and stuff. Not needles, but like syringes. There's no needles here. This is for like, I'm pretty sure this is for putting like stuff in an IV. Sodium chloride. No idea. Alright, here we got a paper shredder. What else? Got a knee pad here. Here is a stethoscope. Not familiar with that name. Some of these can be worth a lot of money. Like 50, 60 bucks. Not like a lot of money, but decent amount. There's another CD. Kind of gross in here, actually. I might need to go grab a pair of gloves. I should have a gloves on. I shouldn't be going through boxes without gloves on, but here I am. Lots of paperwork in here. Getting this all cleared out. See what this is. That's pretty heavy. Doesn't want to open up. Ugh. Look at that. What do we have? Dolfo. Baylor. I don't think there's anything too valuable there. This just looks like stainless steel to me. I don't think it's silver or anything. It's not marked. Well, pooey. Anything else interesting down in here? I think we're going to have an Xbox somewhere in this locker. That's an Xbox 360 wired controller. Some Xbox 360 games. Halo 3. That's not in there. That one is. Alright, I will finish going through here. Bunch of CDs. Goodness gracious. If I find anything really exciting in there, I will show you. Otherwise, we'll move on. Here's our next box. Looks like we got some boots in here. Is there a name on them? Leather and man-made materials. I don't see an actual name. In the bottom it says Sears. Sears brand boots. That's a first for me. Let's see what's in the shoebox here. Junior Boys Sportsmanship Award. Sometimes trophies are sellable. Oops, got some photographs here. Make sure those covered up. Alright, looks like there's photographs in the bottom of this box. Let's just set that aside. Oh, look at that, a quarter. From 1965, so close. A couple years older, it'd be silver. Looks like got some nails in here. Hardware and stuff, let's see. Here's a hockey puck. Some nails. It's kind of an odd hodgepodge of stuff. Here is, I don't know. There's CDs in there. Bottle opener. Again, kind of just a strange hodgepodge of stuff. Looks like there's some more photographs in there. Down in here, got some paperwork. We've got some spiced rum. Got some books. We've got Grand Theft Auto 5. It is on there, or in there. And looks like that's about it. Now some of these books might have some value, so I'll be sure to look those up. Finish sorting through here, and then we will move on. Here's our next box, marked books, CDs, DVDs, and DVD player. Actually, it just says DV player, but I imagine it means DVD player. We'll see what we actually have in here. It's very heavy, so I imagine a lot of books. Alright. got Grand Theft Auto 4. Wow, well actually it looks like a lot of CDs in here. Let's see what's in the toolbox. Piece of mail. I think it's just an advertisement. Here's a Blu-ray player, Samsung Blu-ray player. Pretty good little find. It's worth about $25 for us. There's a lot of Blu-rays here. Oh man, look at that. That's still sealed. It's got a $20 price tag on it. That's something we'll look up on, actually all these Blu-rays we will check on eBay. You never know. Sometimes they are worth a lot of money. Usually not, but they're worth checking. We usually only check DVDs if they're like still sealed, or they're like, you know, we recognize them as valuable. There's a lot of money here in CDs. All those Blu-rays were in the cases, so that's a pretty good sign. Deliverance, man, that's an interesting movie. It's in there. 172 hours. It's a really cool story if you haven't seen that. I haven't seen the movie. I've seen a documentary done about this. A House of 1,000 Corpses. It's in there. It was sold at the Great Escape for $5, so that's a used video store. Pink Floyd, Pulse. Here's Halo 3. It's in there. Whole bunch more Blu-rays in here. DVDs. Let's see. Terminator 2, Judgment Day. There's a lot here. I'm going to sort through this. It's going to take a while, so I won't bore you with it. But yeah, a lot of value in this box. This is a pretty awesome find. It might not look like much, but this rotisserie, this Ronco rotisserie, these things are selling on eBay for over $100 used. This one looks like it obviously doesn't have a box with it, but it looks like it has never been used. So that's a pretty good find out of an $80 locker. And here is a medical bag that's full of medical supplies. Medicine, band-aids, you know, mostly like first aid type stuff. Glucose tablet things there. So stuff like that looks like is what's in there. As long as we're here, we'll take a look at the furniture from this locker. There was this gaming chair. It's not in great shape, but we'll be able to sell it. And then there was that nightstand, this little table thing, and this shelf. So not a whole lot of furniture in there. Oh, there was also this headboard and footboard. Not a whole lot of furniture in there, but a little bit. There was also some of these jackets and sports clothing, jerseys and stuff. That stuff will sell pretty well for us. That's going to do it for this unit. We ended up selling about $200 worth of stuff out of this unit on eBay. And then there was another probably $300 or $400 worth of stuff to sell out of our store. So in total, around $500, maybe a little bit more, that we made off this unit. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check out my Facebook page. There is a link in the description below.